Hey guys, what's going on? My name is GodForever and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we're gonna go over how to change your Steam username, and first thing to note is that your Steam username is not your Steam account name. Your Steam account name cannot be changed under any circumstances, not even through a Steam custom support. However, you can change your Steam username, that's the name right here. So how do we do that? We go to edit profile, and then we go to profile name and we maybe change it like this. So I am gonna go from I had dig big, I'll go to I have dig big, and then I'll save it. And as you can see in the top right corner, it also changes. And there we go, this is how you change your name. However, there's one thing to note, and this is that you can view, and also other people, if you have a public profile, can view your aliases. To be specific, previous aliases, and some people don't want to do that, so you can click on clear previous aliases and that's going to delete your history, and even if you have a public profile, nobody will be able to know your previous aliases, and that's kind of cool thing to keep anonymity. And that's pretty much about it.